Hi friends, here we are given a triangle where one of the angles is actually double the other angle, double one of the other angles. Then we have to find what is this side A in terms of other two sides B and C. Right, side which is opposite to this double angle with in relation to the other two sides. Right. Earlier we have proved that an angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the other two sides. We have already proved in another video that angular bisector divides the opposite side, that is BD by DC, in the ratio of AB is to AB and AC. Let's use the same result here. Right. We are because we are given one angle equals two times the other angle. This is actually giving us a hint that probably if we draw an angular bisector, we might be able to do something. There's a hint in this problem only. So let's try an angular bisector and try to find something. Right. Now, if we draw an angular bisector here, let's say from A, we draw an angular bisector which meets this point at D. Right. Now, if this is theta and this is 2 theta, obviously if you draw an angular bisector, the one side will become theta, the other side will also become theta, right? For example, if you draw an angular bisector, then this will become theta, this will also become theta, this is D. Right. Now, if you see these two triangles, ABC, and ACB, these two triangles, if you observe, this in the triangle ABC, angle B is theta, right? In the triangle ADC, that is DAC, angle DAC, this is theta, right? So this is theta. Angle C is same here. Angle C, whatever, let's say it is alpha. Then this is alpha here. And DAC also is the same thing, same angle. So this is alpha. So what does that mean? If two angles are same, automatically that means the third angle is also same. So because all three angles are same, this is actually similar to this angle, this one. Right. What does that mean? AC by DC equals BC by AC. Right? AC by any sides, AB by AD equals BC by AC equals AC by DC. Right, let's take these two. AC by DC equals BC by AC. Right, what is BC? BC is A. What is AC? AC is B. Right, AC is B. What is AB? AB is C. We are writing what is AC? AC is B. And these two we don't. AD and DC we don't, right? So let's see AC by DC. AC by DC. B by DC equals BC by AC. That is A by B, right? That is what this is about. AC by DC equals BC by AC. That is B by DC equals A by B. But what is this DC? DC we don't know, right? Now let's do one more thing. Let's call this as X. Then this whole is A. Right, this becomes A minus X. Right, the total is A, and this becomes A minus X. We know this angular bisector divides in the ratio of other two sides. So what does that mean? X by A minus X will become B by C. Right, this is B, this is B, this is C. Right, this by this will be equal to this by this because angular bisector divides in the ratio of other two sides. So x by A minus X equals B by C, which means X into C equals B times A minus X, which is nothing but AB minus BX. So let's send this one to the left. So X times B plus C becomes AB. That means X equals AB by B plus C. Right. What is X? X is nothing but DC. Let's substitute this DC, this AB by B plus C in this equation. So b by ab by b plus c equals a by b, which is nothing but b square equals a into ab by b plus c, which is nothing but a square b by b plus c. This b will cancel here. Then we'll be left with a square equals b times b plus c, which is nothing but a equals under root b times b plus c, which is b square plus bc, which is what we wanted to create. Right? What is side A in terms of other two sides? It is actually under root b square plus bc. Right, guys? We used, because we are given 2 theta, we use this hint only to create these equations. We use one very familiar property, which is angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the other two sides. Thank you, guys.